How would you like a tough, rugged Android phone with the most powerful processor out there and a big battery inside? Chinese company AGM has been around since 2008, specializing in phones that are meant to survive in the most extreme conditions. In its latest flagship, the AGM X3 is running the Snapdragon 845 chip, sports a 4100 mAh battery and is tough as nails. And all of that for a price of a mid-range phone. Hello guys, my name is Vic with PhoneArena and this is our hands-on look at the AGM X3. The first thing you notice about the X3 is that it's a big and a bulky phone, but you kind of expect this from a rugged phone, don't you? It sports a 6-inch Full HD LCD display and has a bit of extra bezel around the screen. All of that is due to the rugged construction that does feel quite solid. There is an innovative shock absorption system on board here, meaning that the inside of the phone literally floats in the body and allows the phone to survive even tougher drops. The four corners of the phone are protected by an extra layer of rubber, again ensuring your phone doesn't break when you drop it. The AGM X3 is IP68 certified and is water and dust protected, and it also meets military grade standards for protection. On top of that, there will be a Pro version of the handset with an antenna on board, so you can use this as a full-blown satellite phone. The other great thing about the X3 is its loud and powerful sound system. There is a dual-tone speaker developed in collaboration with JBL on board here, and it really rocks the party. We compared this to other flagship phones and it clearly stands out with a louder sound. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 845 with either 6 or 8 GB of RAM, and you can get the phone with 64 GB, 128 GB or 256 GB of storage. On all those versions you have a hybrid card slot, so you can either use the phone in dual SIM mode or as a single SIM device with an additional microSD card. The platform this is based on is Android 8.1 Oreo and a very clean version of it with no added apps except for the AGM Tools app, where you can find a compass and other tools that might be helpful outdoors. On the back there is a dual camera system with a 12 megapixel main shooter and a secondary 24 megapixel camera. This setup allows you to blur the background to images for a cool portrait mode effect. So overall, this phone looks like one tough and fast device for the adventurers. It is not quite on par with other flagships that have more impressive AMOLED screens and smaller physical size, but it's also not for everybody, and the price starts at around $500 when the AGM X3 launches globally later this month. So this wraps up our first look at the AGM X3. Thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe for more, and I will talk to you in the next one.